Hey guys, Andrew here. Today we will be making lovely barbecue and mushroom, ham and pickle pizzas that you must try. Everyone has done the traditional Italian pizza in a uni oven or something like that. Not sponsored, by the way. Again, I'm not complaining. Traditional Italian margherita is amazing. How do I know, you might ask? Well, let's just teleport to Naples real quick. Oh, okay, wrong place. There we go. Real Neapolitan pizza in Naples with fresh basil. Holy shit, is good. Anyway, Italy aside, sometimes you just need that homemade pizza. That pizza with beef, sweet paprika, pickled onions, and some barbecue sauce. Or mushrooms, ham, and pickles. And that's exactly what we are making today. So let's get into it. Sorry, no B-roll today. Okay, so first, of course, let's start off with the dough. In a container, combine 300 milliliters of warm, not too hot water with a teaspoon of active dry yeast and a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it all together and let it sit for about 5 minutes to bloom while you weigh out your dry ingredients. In a bigger bowl, add 500 grams of all-purpose flour with a teaspoon of salt. Mix. Now get your yeasty mixture and combine it with the dry stuff. Mix with the hands until it's combined. Once there are no dry spots left, you can turn out your dough onto a floured work surface and knead it for about 15 minutes until it's smooth like George Clooney. Now, to check if the dough had enough kneading, you can rip a piece and stretch it against a window or a light source. If you can see the light through it and it has no holes in it, it means your dough is good to go. Now just oil another, or in my case, the same bowl with olive oil.
Tiny bit of olive oil.
And plonk the dough ball in there. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rise in room temperature for a couple of hours until double in size. Also, you could leave the dough in a fridge for 3 or more days to ferment if you have the time. The more time it ferments, the better the taste. Great, now the dough has risen. Divide the dough into 2 even pieces for 2 evenly sized pizzas. Spread it out onto a non-stick sheet pan like so. Then repeat the same thing with the other half and cover with another sheet pan or a plastic wrap to proof. While the dough is proofing, we can get our ingredients ready. First, of course, the sauce. What I used was my own raw red sauce with some onions and garlic blended with a blender and a bit of salt, pepper, basil, and oregano. Now you can use any red sauce you like here. Doesn't really matter. Okay, now it's the time for toppings. I made 2 different pizzas. One was sliced pork ham, dill pickles, and sliced mushrooms. Now the other one is my new favorite pizza. First, I cut up some sweet peppers or paprika. Use all the available pepper colors if you have the chance. It will give the pizza a better taste. Then I've got some beef ham, and of course, for both pizzas, I shredded some dry mozzarella. Smash the like button if you like cheese. Okay, sorry. Now let's assemble these babies. Dough, sauce, cheese, shrooms, ham, pickles. Next one. Dough, sauce, cheese, beef ham, paprika, pickled onions. Oh, look at these little cuties. Barbecue sauce! And that's it. Now both pizzas go into a preheated 200+ degrees Celsius oven for about 15 minutes each. And it's out of the oven. Now, after that, grate some parmesan, sprinkle on some oregano, and you're done. Finish with some extra barbecue sauce if you want, and enjoy. 2 different homemade pizzas for a party or just hanging out with friends. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this week's video. If you found it helpful or you want more videos like this, smash the like button, please, and comment what should I be cooking next. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye! Peace!